Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a sweet drawing of two friends holding hands. So let's get started. To draw these two friends, we're going to start from the middle of the drawing. So right here I'm going to start with a cat ear. So about right here, kind of at an angle. So curve and a curve down. So if you want to change this cat to a bear, whatever animal you like, that's the kind of ear you'll be drawing. But since mine's a cat, I'm going to make it a little bit sharper right there. And then from there, I'm going to bring down a curve. So this is going to be the start of the head. So this is right in the center. So then from there, I'm going to come about, I'm just going to imagine this oval that's going around for the head. So about right here, I'm going to stop and draw another curve right there. So this is going to be the other head. So about right there, I'm going to imagine curve. Just work with the proportions as you draw it, slowly build it. And so I'm going to bring this head down. And this is going to go this way. So everything's nice and even. So bring this down more. So we're starting to create our oval for the head. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come about right here in the center once again, and we're going to draw a curve towards the center. I know it looks kind of weird right now, but it all come together. So about right there towards the center, I'm going to curve this hand out. Because this is the most important part of this drawing, so I'm going to do the same thing right here. I just want to make sure the hands will touch. So that's why we're starting with the hands and the head together. So this is the two hands. I'm just going to bring this in. There. So now we have this nicely established. We can work on the rest of the drawing. So right here, I'm just going to imagine this oval going around, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish my curve. So if you need to turn your paper, go ahead if it makes it easier. But I'm just going to basically draw an oval, like a big dumpling. So about right here, I'll stop and draw another ear for my cat. And once again, come down and complete my drawing, my oval for the head. There. Okay, so now let's work on this bunny's head. So once again, if you want to make it another cat, you can go ahead and just change up the ears. But right here, I'm just going to finish my oval from this side. So we're just going to once again go around. So about right here. And I'm going to stop now because I know I have these ears that kind of pop out. So I'm going to start right about the center right here of this oval, and I'm going to go up towards the middle and another bump, and let's finish this ear first. So let's come down, and we're going to bring down a little bunny ear all the way down. And same thing over here. So another one, curve, and just finish off this ear. And then let's finish this curve for the head. So just overlapped and bring it back down. There. Okay, so I'm making my girl bunny, I'm making my bunny a girl, so I'm just going to add a little bow here just to add some little details to make it even cuter. Just add a little bow here if you want. And then from there, let's work on the body. So let's work on our cat first, right here. So our hand's about right there. So bring a body right here. And I'm going to curve it out. So this is the middle. So let's have our little body curving out. And just curve this in. And you can finish off the hands. So now let's work on this side. So it's the same thing. So about right here, we curve her body going this way. And right here, the center of her head, about right here, finish off the rest of her body. And another hand right here, just tuck it down. And this side the same thing, so just give him his hand right here. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down. Before I finish this little curve where it's sitting on the hill, I'm going to come right here because I know he has his little tail I'm going to draw. So in the center right here, I'll just draw a little tail for him. And come right back in. And you can give it some stripes if you want. And let's finish this off. So, okay, so then about right here, I'm just going to add a curve. All the way across. And then let's just finish our drawing, tuck everything in. And let's give her a little bunny tail. And let's see here. So that is pretty much it for their bodies. So let's add some hearts right here. Right in the center. And let's add some dandelions. Of course, they're on a little hill. Some grass. Decorate it however you like. I hope this drawing inspires you to draw this for someone this Valentine's or for yourself, and you can change up the animals as you like. Oh, and almost forgot, add some stripes right here just to make it more like a cat, so there's no mistaking. So 2 stripes right there. So that's pretty much it. Hope I made it easy for you to follow along. You'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.